Zoe and Abby found a pumpkin grape. Zoe, stop showing.
I found it first.
Wait, what? It's huge.
I found it first.
Zoe, are you gonna eat it?
Yes.
Do it, Zoe. One bite.
Just a second.
Not one bite. Don't swallow it whole.
Well, no, chew it up. Just. How's that
like
grape,
a pumpkin
Zoe?
or a grape?
Zoe, does it taste like a pumpkin
grape.
or a grape? It tastes a little more like a grape than a pumpkin.
A little more? Noah? Nice moves.
Noah's doing a lap dance.
Amelia has cheeks. She has a mouthful of popcorn. And she says she has cheeks. You have puffy cheeks right now. Yeah. It's the 4th of July. Yeah, we are in Racine, Wisconsin. And we are getting ready to see the show.
Because. Done. Just take it off.
Because why? You like fireworks?
Yes.
We were in Milwaukee yesterday.
And also because we live here
Yeah.
in Racine.
So this is the 4th fireworks show that we've seen in the last 2 weeks. So.
That's amazing. Because Dad's headed.
And then we're going to do a late night movie.
Yeah.
What movie are we going to see, guys?
The Million.
Which we get to see on an ultra screen.
Yeah. No, look what we found.
And we found a playing card on the ground.
We're seeing Despicable Me 3.
Yeah. All right. So a fun evening.
That's a new one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's go see the pilots.
Stop dripping
What?
grape spit
Let's see if I can see the pilots.
Yeah, the fireworks are gonna be up there. Zachary made himself a watch. What time does your watch say, Zach?
I made him a watch.
Oh.
He made himself a watch too, though.
And he made a watch too. He made the square. I think it's 12:30. Yeah, I
12:30?
made the square one. Well,
I think it's more like 8 o'clock.
no way! It's not 12:30. Sarah. Zachary, come on. It's not even night yet. How is it going to be 12:30? Grapes on the road.
Hell yeah.
They won't be for too much longer.
Mom, why don't you videotape the fireworks?
This is 4 sisters in a blanket.
Yes.
I wonder if they taste like pancakes and sausage.
Don't find out.
Find out. Mom.
And Amelia thinks all these fireworks look like diapers. And is quite amused with herself.
I just want to say I'm sorry.
Yeah, he started it.
Sorry about that. I
You're
apologize.
guilty.
Yes.
A hot dog?
Yeah.
Yum.
Hot dog bun.
A hot dog bun. That does kind of look like a hot dog bun.
It's got about 15